Since 1947, Van Wamel has been a leading player in specialized mowing and fruit grading technology. Perfect's innovative solutions are entirely developed for a maximum ease of use and unmatched longevity. Our mowers and graders are entirely manufactured in the heartland of the most important fruit-producing area of the Netherlands. Our main goal is always to provide sustainable solutions to diverse markets with ever-increasing demands, like solar park maintenance. Users all over the world recognize the outstanding performance and reliability of our heavy-duty equipment. The drive system of our mowers has been refined in every detail. The in-house manufacturing of vital parts and several unique features make Perfect stand out in the global market for special mowing equipment. Our passionate and expert colleagues are the key to our success. These women and men always go the extra mile to create the best solution.